My dear students, you are most welcome in our video session, and this is our self-assessment class. In this, basically, we are going to learn or complete the complete self-assessment of unit first and session 2. The chapter name is working, networking fundamental. So the first question is goes to a device used to connect a dissimilar network is known as a and the means what? The gateway. The right answer is gateway. So the second question is, my dear students, is a computer responsible for providing services to others is known as what? Called a server. एक ऐसा कंप्यूटर जो अदर्स को सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड कराता है उसे हम सर्वर बोलते हैं. तो राइट आंसर इज सर्वर. एंड द सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज which internet access allows you to use the internet and the telephone line simultaneously is the broadband connection, sometime dial-up connection, both. The both answer is right. If you are going through the correct answer तो ये broadband जो है वो आपका proper right answer माना जाएगा. So the second question is a computer network made for an internet connection of two or more LAN within a limited area. आप एक लिमिटेड एरिया के अंतर्गत आप दो या दो से अधिक लैन नेटवर्क्स को एक दूसरे से कम्युनिकेट मर्जिंग कंडीशन में चलाना चाहते हो. सो इट इज कॉल्ड व्हाट? कैंपस एरिया नेटवर्क. इन कैंपस एरिया नेटवर्क वी हैव मल्टीपल बिल्डिंग्स, multiple streets, and we want to just communicate all the building and streets to each other. Means we want to communicate the more LANs within a limited area network. So it is called a campus area network. The CAN is the right answer according to your book. And the second question is, which of the following network topologies has each devices connected to two other devices, one on either side? So ring topology is the right answer of this question. So my dear students, kindly memorize all the answers so that easily you can just check out in your examination. So next, here's the description questions are there. So define all these three things: computer network, network topology, and gateway. So here I have also given a three different answers are there according to your question. The computer network. A computer network is an interconnected group of independent computers or devices where all the computers on a network can share resources among each others. कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क एक ऐसा मतलब कंप्यूटर सेपरेटमेंटेशन या नेटवर्क सेपरेटमेंटेशन होता है जहां पे सारे कंप्यूटर आपस में एक दूसरे से डेटा शेयरिंग रिसोर्सेज कर सकते हैं. इट इज कॉल्ड अ नेटवर्क. एंड व्हाट इज नेटवर्क टोपोलॉजी? नेटवर्क टोपोलॉजी इज डिफाइन द फिजिकल और लॉजिकल अरेंजमेंट इफ different computers in a network is known as a topology. And the term network topology refers to the way in which the nodes, computers or other devices that need to communicate for a network are linked together. So this is the right answer, my dear students. So memorize all these things. And what is gateway? Gateway is a special network device used to connect totally dissimilar networks to each other. So all these are the right answers. Kindly pause the video and write down the answers and memorize it for your better examination. So next question is, here you have given some the list of advantages of using computer network. If you are using a computer network, what kind of advantages you gain if you are using a computer network exactly. So here's a list. It enhances the communication and availability for information की availability और communication को enhance करता है यदि हम network में किसी चीज को कर रहे हैं. And it allows for more convenient resources sharing. There are many more different options given if you are using the computer network exactly. And it makes file sharing easier and high flexibility, expensive, and it is in an inexpensive systems, and increases cost efficiency, boost storage capacity. All these are the key concern if you are using the computer network. So you all of have just remind all these things and just write down the same fundamental if the question is put up in your examination. So next answer, next question, differentiate between packet switching and message switching. So all these are the differentiation between them. A complete message is passed across the network in message switching. And in packet switching, basically message is broken into smaller units as a packets. मतलब मैसेज स्विचिंग में कंप्लीट मैसेज अक्रॉस द नेटवर्क ट्रांसफर हो जाता है, जबकि पैकेट स्विचिंग में वही मैसेज आपका ब्रेक कर दिया जाता है मल्टीपल चंक्स में, देन आफ्टर सेंड ओवर द नेटवर्क. एंड मैसेज स्विचिंग हैविंग इन द कंप्यूटर लैंग्वेज ये एक प्रकार से कोडिंग फॉर्मेशन का यूज करता है, जबकि पैकेट स्विचिंग में बाइनरी टाइप्स ऑफ फॉर्मेशंस का यूज होता है डेटा ट्रांसमिशन के दौरान पे. In message switching, there is no limit on block size. Block size की कोई limit नहीं होती, unlimited block size you can send. While in packet switching have a limitation already to send over the network your data packet exactly. So basically all these are the differentiation, my dear students. Now what you people have to do exactly? You people have to do pause the video and write down all these things in on your notebook and easily memorize all these things if you really want to gain a maximum numbers in your examination. Okay, और अच्छी राइटिंग में लिखना है सारे आंसर्स को, जिससे आगे आप प्रॉपरली बेहतरीन नंबर गेन कर सके. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज गोज टू व्हाट. Write the short note on the topology, as we have already learned the same things in the topology parameter. So the same definition is here also, and some particular little bit increases in this definition, because here you have just given the short note on that. So please just memorize these things and gain the better marks. So my dear students, the self-assessments of session 3. The topic is goes to introduce to instant messaging. So introduction to instant messaging. All these question is on the instant messaging. Hangout Messenger is a web-based messenger. Web-based, sometime application-based, both. It may be, but anywhere is looking as a web-based application like that. Okay. So next question is list the advantages of the instant messaging services. So what are the advantages of the instant messaging services are there? So in adds the connecting staff members who are the off-site locations. All these candidates can communicate easily via instant messaging, which is not appearing at the same time in your organization. That body also can connect with the instant messaging services, and that body can be instant aware of your changes, modification, meetings, seminars, whatever. So it is allowed to group communication. Instant messaging is also allowed to you to you can just do the group communication. Multiple personality can be communicated at the same time on the same platform. All these are the different advantages are there, my dear students. So you all have to just memorize all these things and just write down the same parameter on your examination So, and the second question is list and explain the type of instant messaging services. Exactly what kind of messaging services is going on in wide area network. So as we people are familiar about all these applications: Google Talk, Yahoo Messenger, Skype, Viber, MSN, Windows, Live Messenger, IMO, Google Duo, and all these different types of applications platforms are there where we can just do the instant messaging, calling, video chatting, surfing, and all these things. So the next slide is goes to the unit first of session 4, and the topic is what? Chatting with a contact. So the question is goes to which one of the first instant messaging program launched in 1996. ओके तो 1996 में नवंबर 15 1996 इजराइल में लॉन्च हुआ था ICQ is the first instant messaging program or web based application. Sometime you can say that the right answer is this, my dear students. So memorize all these things, write down all these things on your notebook, so easily you can reply the questions if these questions are arriving in your examination. So the second question is instant messaging allow you to send messages in real time. The answer is real. What? Real time. Instant messaging हमेशा real time instant sending करता है messaging की, whatever जो उसका delivery system होता है वो instant real होता है. So the next question is goes to write down the step to sign in your Google account. How you can sign on is easily. You have to go through this website www.gmail.com, and when the gmail.com will appear at front of you, it will ask a username and password to you. If you are given the right things in this blog, so you go through inside your inbox exactly. So basically this is a very short and very correct steps to sign in Google account, Gmail account. So write the step to install Hangouts. How we can install? If you are just going to the web store, app types of Hangout options are there. So you have to go through the Chrome web browser, and here's a link already given in this particular slide also. And open this particular link and find out the Hangout and install the Hangout and confirm the installations. So easily all these are the steps is goes to the install step by step Hangout and how to use. So my dear students, in this video session we have just completed almost different session of self assessments. So as per your demand, my dear students, I have just completed all these things. So now your part is that you people have to just see all these videos very carefully and write down all these answers and memorize it. So I'll just meet you in next video session, my dear students. So till then, thank you very good and have a great day.